Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Paige, and today's video is a Boxy Charm unboxing. I don't know what box I get. Premium? Base, maybe? I don't know, it doesn't tell you, and I've just never, I don't know, it's a $25 one. But anyways, I get Boxy Charm boxes. I buy them, I should say. So I already opened this month's before I decided to make this video. And as I was opening it, I was like, shit, I wanted to make a video on my first impressions. But it kind of worked out because I took a shower before filming this and used one of the products right after. I mean, so far so good. Seems to be fine. But again, like, you gotta just keep using it. So first impression though is nice. I didn't even tell you what the product is yet. Let's just jump into this. So the first product is Farmacy Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser. So cute. I have a Farmacy BHA thing, pour thing. Ooh, this is like nice. I love this type of packaging for cleansers. It's oil free, made with more moringa and papaya. I don't really smell anything, so I'll just try it. Apply daily, AM, PM to wet skin and massage onto face and neck in circular motion. Rinse with water and pat dry. So pretty basic, but I love my skincare just as much as I love makeup, and definitely will be trying this bad boy. And this retails for $28. So next is the Bakerie Flower Setting Powder. Translucent flower setting powder, and it retails for $24. And I love the packaging that it comes in. It makes it look like it's like a baking, like flour to bake with. Duh. I've been wanting to try out this for a long time, and of course I have setting powder on my face right now, but I gotta get my tweezers because they have this little thing. I definitely will be trying this out very soon, like tomorrow. And because you know, I just can't wait to try anything. Ooh. But this is kind of like what it looks like. I don't know if you can see, but it's fine. It's thin. Probably works like the other 6 setting powders that I have. But I'm excited to try it because I've been wanting to try it for a long time. Then the Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. I don't use a lot of eye patches. I probably should, but it claims to be firming, depuffing, and brightening. Wow, this is like pretty good. Okay, comes with one of these. I thought they were patches. It smells like nothing. Which is good because some people don't like fragrance. Fragrance can be sensitive. Definitely have to try it out for sure. And this guy retails for $50. It's got vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids to help firm, smooth, plump, and brighten like nothing else. Used for a dewier, fresher looking peepers. That's cute. So I will try it out as part of my skincare routine and let you know how it works out. The next thing, this is the product that I used. This is the Outre by me. This is step 3. 8-in-1 CBD Leave-In Conditioner. This leave-in conditioner packs 8 powerful benefits into one, enhances body and manageability, detangles hair, fights frizz, protects hair from environmental damage, balances moisture, and adds nutrients to fresh hair and to add shine. My hair's pretty frizzy. Normally, this actually looks pretty good right now, and even like the top looks really good. So pretty much what I did is I just sprayed it literally all over, and then I just brushed so that it dispersed evenly. Does not smell, and the mister is nice on it. It's not really a mist, because it's like it's product in there. It's not like a water consistency, but it was nice. It wasn't just like all like one stream of product. It dispersed it nicely. That guy retails for $30. I think that's pretty average. So the last thing, and I didn't do my eyebrows because I wanted to try this product. This is the $1 Billion Brows on Point Micro Pencil, and this is in shade taupe, if I can get it out. It's got a small spoolie, but at least it has one. A lot of them don't. And this is the pencil. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really micro fine. So let's go ahead and try this out. So this was like the only makeup product other than the setting powder for this month. Interesting. So to do brows, of course, I comb all the hairs up first, and then I just start to fill in. Oh, this is pigmented AF. Very, wow, you can like see that line I just made. Was not expecting that to be that pigmented. A lot of brow products are not. Wow. So you can get some really defined hair like strokes with this for sure. Wow. So yeah, that is nuts. Definitely like something that I would have to get used to, because I am not used to like products that are this pigmented for eyebrows at all. Like, let me just show you. That one's going really light because I was like scared. That is so pigmented. Like, I don't know. Let me show you another brow pencil that I have and like just show you what I mean. I think even this ColourPop one like isn't. So you gotta like go back and forth. This is the ColourPop one down here. Let me go over here. Like what? Holy crap. Let me see. Wet n Wild. This one's got like a thick. This one's just really waxy. I like that brow pencil a lot. I feel like my brows are pretty on point for sure. Wow, okay. So I was kind of disappointed at first when I had opened it because I was like, wow, there's really not like a lot of makeup. It's a lot of skincare, which I love skincare. Well, skincare and then like the hair. I'm not really big into like hair. I don't really do much with my hair. I usually like will just throw it up in 2 hours after showering. But that eyebrow pencil, man, is I think a game changer for me. That was really nice. So this box retails for $148. If you guys knew how long that took me to do, you'd be like, are you shitting me? But math, I don't use math ever anymore. Not the point, but so $148 for all that stuff, like, and I pay $25 for it a month. So that's a really good deal. But I will try the rest of the skincare products, keep trying the leave-in conditioner, and definitely give you guys updates later on. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much and stay safe. Bye.